Hello everyone, I am Felix Menezes and this video is specially made for standard ninth students for your board exam. Almost 10 to 15 days are left. So in science, you should know what to study and what not to study. So starting first day, let me make it very easy for you people. Wisdom classes, my classes. Okay, we are providing you all give reasons of chapter called matter. The first chapter of chemistry. Okay, matter. So if you know what is matter, please do comment. If ever you are not having time, then don't comment. Okay, padai karo. Yeah, let's start the class. First question. It's only give reasons, nothing else. Okay? Not the entire chapter. Give reason. वीडियो देखते देखते आप लोग इसको याद भी रखना है. Okay, then just don't watch the video for fun purpose. Just watch the video, learn the answers, and then go ahead. Okay, give reason that why does it why it takes longer time to dry wet clothes in humid weather. In humid weather, why does it take longer time to dry the wet clothes? First thing you should know, humidity and evaporation are inversely proportional. Okay, they're inversely proportional to each other. Okay, sir, सर मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया होगा. बच्चे यही तो बोल रहा हूँ. दिस क्लास इज ओनली मेड टू लर्न, नॉट टू टीच. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टीच ऑल एनीथिंग. वी आर लर्निंग. ओके, जैसे बुक में लिखा हुआ है, मैंने नोट्स में लिखा हुआ है, those things what are important, you all are supposed to learn it. Okay, just not wasting your time. Let's move. Why it takes longer time to dry your clothes in humid weather? Because there is already saturated water, okay, water vapors in air, and therefore it will not be able for water to come outside the clothes easily. Okay, simple bath. Because air is already saturated in water vapors, therefore it will not be able to hold water vapors easily. Okay, so it will not allow the water from the wet clothes to come out. आप सिंपल भाषा में भी लिख सकते हो. सेकंड, a substance has no mass, can we consider it as matter? बिल्कुल नहीं. सब्सटेंस के पास मास ही नहीं है तो मैटर कैनॉट, इट कैनॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज टू बी मैटर, बिकॉज मैटर मस्ट हैव मास एंड ऑल्सो हैज टू ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस. तो ये कंपल्सरी है. मैटर must have mass and also matter occupies space. For these two reasons, we cannot consider anything matter if it is not having mass. No mass, no matter. It's not matter. Okay, next. Give reason why evaporation causes cooling. Evaporation causes cooling क्यों करता है? Evaporation needs heat energy, okay, which it takes from the surroundings. वो surrounding से heat energy लेके जाता है, which leads to decrease in temperature. Temperature automatically कम होता है. Therefore it causes cooling. Therefore वो क्या cause करता है? Cooling. Okay, simple question, simple answer. Therefore it causes cooling. आगे बहुत सारे questions, they are going to come many questions ahead in which you should know evaporation क्या करता है. Evaporation causes cooling. जितना evaporate होता है पानी उतना ठंड भी होता है. Okay, next. Next, cotton being a solid, it floats on water. Cotton पानी के ऊपर तैरता क्यों है? Because it has less density. Okay, simple answer. Less density, it floats on water. Next, why do we see air droplets on the outer surface of the glass containing ice cold water? आप लोगों ने देखा होगा ग्लास के ऊपर पानी आता है. द रीजन इज बिकॉज ओके द वाटर वेपर्स प्रेजेंट इन एयर ऑन कमिंग इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद ग्लास, कोल्ड ग्लास वाटर, it loses energy and gets converted into liquid state. वो liquid बनता है, therefore we can see water droplets. और liquid बन के पानी ग्लास के ऊपर चिपकता है. The water which is present, the water vapors which are present in the atmosphere will be condense, will become cold and stick on the surface of the glass, and that's the answer. Okay. नेक्स्ट, वाई शुड वी वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स इन समर? गर्मी में कॉटन क्लोथ्स क्यों डालना है? कॉटन क्लोथ इसलिए डालना है बिकॉज दैट एब्जॉर्ब्स, कॉटन एब्जॉर्ब्स, इज अ गुड एब्जॉर्बर ऑफ वाटर, हेल्प्स इन एब्जॉर्बिंग स्वेट. कॉटन क्या करता है? स्वेट को एब्जॉर्ब करता है एंड एब्जॉर्ब द स्वेट एंड इट इजीली इवापरेट्स. जो स्वेट है एब्जॉर्ब्ड है वो इजीली इवापरेट होता है. और इवापरेशन कॉजेज क्या होता है? इवापरेशन कॉजेज कूलिंग. ओके, so let us break this answer. Cotton being a good absorber, it's a good absorber. It helps the it helps to absorb the sweat, exposing it to the atmosphere for easy evaporation, एंड दैट कॉजेज कूलिंग। ओके, इतना ही आपको लिखना है एग्जाम में। थोड़ा सा 2 मार्क्स के लिए, 3 मार्क्स के लिए, इफ दिस क्वेश्चन कम्स एक्सप्लेन इट। बाकी 1 मार्क्स के लिए 1-2 मार्क्स कम्स, जस्ट राइट व्हाट इज रिटन हियर। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Why does ice floats on water? Because it has less density. जो भी चीज, anything which is floating on water is only because it is having less density compared to water. Also, we can say while the formation of ice, there is inside air is getting trapped, and because of that air getting trapped, the volume will increase of the ice. वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हो रहा है, इसका मतलब डेंसिटी क्या हो जाएगा, लो हो जाएगा। ओके, सो ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो। इन केस यू फील इट इज इजी टू रिमेंबर, यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस एंड गो फॉर एग्जाम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हाउ डज वाटर, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, हाउ डज वाटर kept in मटका, earthen pot मटका, ओके, becomes cool during summer? समर के टाइम वो कूल क्यों होता है? जो पानी मटका में रखा रहता है ना, वाई इट बिकम्स कूल? सो सिंपल, बिकॉज मटके के अंदर होते हैं पोर्स, मटका, ओके, surface of the मटका, earthen मटका, which causes cooling. It is due to evaporation of water on the surface of the earthen pot which is causing cooling. Water comes out through pores, a important word है pores, okay, water comes out through pores, okay, and evaporates. अब बोल सकते हो एग्जाम में, मटका is having small pores on it, the water will come out of that pores and it causes evaporation. Because of that evaporation it causes cooling. इतना सिंपल भी लिख सकते हो। टीचर्स आर वेरी गुड, they give you marks, okay, they want to see how much you know. Next, why does our palm feel cold when we put some acetone or petrol or perfume on it? हमारा palm, जो हमारा हाथ है, वो ठंड क्यों होता है? ओके, हम लोग पेट्रोल उसके ऊपर डालेंगे या एसीटोन डालेंगे तो ठंड क्यों होता है? बिकॉज दे आर वोलाटाइल लिक्विड्स। जो पेट्रोल होता है, जो यू कैन से पेट्रोल, एसीटोन, परफ्यूम, दे आर ऑल वोलाटाइल। वोलाटाइल का मतलब तुरंत इफ यू ओपन द कैप ऑफ पेट्रोल एंड कीप, इट विल बिकम गायब, इट विल बिकम, it will go in the atmosphere, okay, that is called volatile nature. So they are easily vaporized, वो easily vaporized होते हैं, they absorb heat from our palms, palm से heat लेके जाते हैं, and which causes cooling, and that because they are taking heat from the palms, it is, they are becoming, the hand is becoming cool, okay. तो यही याद रखना है, evaporation causes cooling। इसी फंडामेंटल के अनुसार all these answers are based. Next, why are we able to sip a hot water, sorry, why are we able to sip a cup of tea from the saucer rather than cup? Why are we able to sip a hot water tea faster from saucer rather than cup? Okay, कप से हम लोग टी को उतना जल्दी नहीं पी पाते जैसे कि सॉसर से पी पाते हैं। सॉसर मतलब एक प्लेट। इट इज डन बिकॉज इंक्रीज इन सरफेस एरिया, सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीज होता है, increase in surface, greater the surface area, faster the cooling, faster the evaporation, and evaporation causes cooling, sorry, इतना याद रखना है बच्चे, because the exposed surface area is greater in saucer compared to the cup. In cup there is less surface area, less evaporation, okay, less cooling will occur. So वहाँ पर saucer में there is larger surface area, इसका मतलब more cooling will occur, okay, more evaporation and more cooling will occur. Next, why does gas exerts pressure on the container of an on the containers, okay, yeah, on in a balloon, you can say in a vessel, because molecules are in random motion, हमको पता होना चाहिए, molecules are in random motion, they collide with each other, तो उनका काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ते जाएगा। कोलिजन चलता है ना, कोलिजन टक्कर मार रहे एक दूसरों को, तो उनका एनर्जी बढ़ते जाएगा, and therefore they exert pressure on the walls of the container. इतना ही याद रखो, because molecules are always in random motion, they are moving from one point to another point, they collide with each other, and therefore they exert pressure on the containers. Next, और एक दो तीन है खत्म। Naphthalene ball disappear with time, how? Naphthalene ball disappear क्यों होते हैं? On the basis of time. Naphthalene balls are volatile solids. ये तो आंसर हर बार वही है सर, volatile, okay. Naphthalene ball, okay, are volatile solids and therefore they change into vapor without changing into liquid, therefore, and that process is also called sublimation. इतना याद रखना है कि naphthalene balls are volatile and therefore they become vapors without becoming liquid, and that is why they disappear with time, okay. naphthalene balls मतलब डांबर गोली, अगर आपके घर में होगा तो एक बार देख लो। नेक्स्ट, वाई कैन वी स्मेल परफ्यूम आफ्टर सिटिंग सेवरल मीटर्स अवे? दूर बैठने के बाद भी परफ्यूम का स्मेल इसलिए आ रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोसेस कॉल्ड डिफ्यूजन. If you know what is diffusion, you should be knowing the movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. Molecules higher concentration से lower concentration जाती है. बिरयानी की smell, perfume की smell, it will be coming from one point to another point. No, that is only called diffusion. Okay. Next, people sprinkle water on open ground, on roof, on hot sunny days. Why? सनी डेज के ऊपर, सनी डेज के टाइम पे पानी क्यों छिड़कते लोग? ओके, बिकॉज इट कॉजेज इवापरेशन. एंड हमको पता है इवापरेशन क्या करता है काम. इवापरेशन क्या करता है? इनमें सर इट कॉजेज कूलिंग. जो पानी होता है सरफेस के ऊपर वो इवापरेट होता है. when you sprinkle water, that water will evaporate. Along with evaporation it will take the heat and go, and that causes cooling. So 14 questions which I have given you all. आई एम श्योर इसमें से अगर एक भी नहीं आएगा एग्जाम को, एटलीस्ट नॉलेज तो आपको यहाँ से बहुत मिलेगा. प्लीज लर्न देम. And I'm sure at least one question or two questions may appear in your board exams. So make sure you don't leave anything. This is the first day, तो easy लग रहा है, मगर once you're connected to these videos, every day I provide you all little difficult things. So make sure you are supposed to learn everything. Stop the video for every answer and learn the question and then move for the next question. Okay? Simply don't watch it. Nothing is going to go in your brains if you just watch it. Okay? Thank you. May God bless you all.